Okay, at this point, guys, it's just become like a fun thing to see how bad this has gotten. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie Marshall and I am so glad that you were here. Today I'm doing my first 5-minute review of the Dream Team and Kathleen Light's collab on their lip products. As always, guys, make sure to like and subscribe right down here and let's get to it. So I was really excited about this because my local Ulta had a beautiful ColourPop display, which I haven't really seen a lot of, and I just happened to grab this and it was like kind of an impulse buy. Like, sorry, I had never tried their satin lips or their lip glosses, and I was just really excited to try out the formulas and see kind of what they were about. So this is their old glossy lip formula, and these are their 2 satin lip colors, and they are just like, this orange is so beautiful on the lips. I've been testing them out really quickly over the past few days, and I hate the formula. Literally so bad. I like could not believe it. Now the color is literally stunning. It is only the formula that I have a massive problem with. So story time, on the way to the city I had this on. We stopped at a friend's house to say happy birthday and I ate a few chips, just a few snacks, and on the way out I was like, you know, a little bit patchy, which is fine. I'm totally fine with having things be a little bit patchy. It's not meant to be, you know, long lasting or anything like that. So just because I'd eaten, there were little patches gone, so I tried to reapply, and oh my goodness, that's when everything went wrong. So I had already noticed that it was a little bit sticky before, so like when I like pressed my lips together, it just was a little bit sticky, which is kind of uncomfortable, but it was fine. Like, I was so willing to like put that behind me and just love the color. But once I reapplied, it was like literally glue. Like, you cannot reapply or like layer this lipstick at all. Granted, it is super opaque, so with one swipe you get the perfect color, but it was just so sticky and gloppy, and I just was like really upset with the formula of this guy. The rest of my face is done, so I'm going to show you guys right now what I mean by this, and we're just going to do like a little tester right now. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit before we get into this. Okay, so now that we're zoomed in, we're going to go in on the lips with BROWder. As you can kind of see here, it like really glops up just around the tip. Although the applicator is really nice and small, it just gets really gloppy, and so it's like kind of messy and hard to get a precise line. But we're gonna go in right now, and like you can see, it is just so opaque in a beautiful color. So guys, this is not my best lip application, so I tried using it just by itself and it was super hard and I had to keep dipping in. So now that I haven't used the lip liner, I can like really tell, stop it, he's like scratching the chair right here. I can like tell that there's a lot of patchiness. It literally looks like I have like, God, glue or something on my lips. Like, it is literally the most disgusting feeling right now. It feels so like dry and also sticky, and it just is like literally so gross. So like, watch, I'm gonna press my lips together again, and it like pulls itself up. Like, look at this line right here on the top of my lip right here. Ew. Gross. All the little flakes then get onto my teeth, and it is just like look at just how, oh, do you see that? Like right along them, it is like literally the most horrible texture ever. I like need to wipe this off, but just for the sake of it and just for the sake of being funny for you guys, I'm gonna put a layer and just see how bad it gets, because at this point it's horrible. Might as well see like if it can get like extremely horrible. Ew, it already looks so gross. Oh no. Just the bit of moisture when I first put it on literally feels so nice just to get it all off. Like, look at this, first of all, that's in like the little top part. Like, this is all the glop. I don't know if I ever had this much lip product on my lip before. This is the look. This is the new trend, guys. Oh God. At least it's not like drying down to its gluey texture. I hate this so much, guys. And it just keeps like flaking off. Like, look at this right along the inner lip part of my lip right here. all this texture. I think I can like, if I run my lip, oh Jesus. Oh, it's getting so bad. Okay, at this point, guys, it's just become like a fun thing to see how bad this has gotten. Worst formula I've ever tried in my entire life. I love ColourPop, but come on, this is literally the worst texture I've ever put on my lips. Like, oh, it's like coming into my mouth. Okay, we're gonna wipe this out. We're gonna try the gloss. We're gonna see if that's like actually the one good thing here. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Okay, that took me literally 15 minutes to get off my lips. It was like so horrifyingly caked on and just so sticky all over my fingers. How just red they are now. Literally horrifying. So we're gonna go into the gloss, which is called Moonchild, and like add some much needed moisture to my lips now. It smells like a normal gloss. Kind of. This is really not that glossy either. I haven't tried this before, so this is my first time like messing around with this gloss, but like it's okay. I just feel like it's okay. It doesn't feel like super hydrating, nor is it like really sticky. So if you're like looking for a not sticky gloss, I would say buy this on its own. Maybe another color though. It's a little, oh, there's a cut hair on my face. No, get off. Average. It's not making them look like glossy and gorgeous or something, but it's okay. It's an okay gloss. I think like the subtle color to it's pretty nice, but at the same time I just had like layers of that orange on my lips, so I'm not sure if like it's from that, but it's pretty. I think I probably will just buy this on its own and take the whole set back. I'm not even gonna try on the second satin lip. I think it's gonna be the exact same thing, and I like just don't feel like dealing with that. Ugh, literally horrifying, guys. Okay, guys, so that sums up our little review on this Dream Team ColourPop collection. I try to be really positive on this channel, but I also really want you guys to know the real truth about certain products, and I have to say that you should not get this. I would say absolutely pass on this guy. It is just very uncomfortable and very sticky, and it gets all over your teeth. I honestly would say go for a drugstore lipstick. Way, way better. You could get the same colors in like a Maybelline formula or something like that. So I would definitely say pass on this. I think I definitely will be trying other ColourPop lip products like their new glosses they just put out. I'm really excited about that. But make sure to like and subscribe right here to join our little family. We just hit 30 followers, which is super cool. Thank you for all who have already subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.